Ever found yourself wondering where exactly your Bitcoin lives? Is it floating around in the digital ether, or is there a specific place it calls home? If you've dipped your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, you've likely encountered platforms like Uphold. But does Uphold qualify as a true Bitcoin wallet? That's the question we're diving into today. To understand this, we first need to clarify what a Bitcoin wallet is. At its core, a Bitcoin wallet is not a physical object holding actual coins. Instead, it's a software program or a hardware device that stores the private keys necessary to access and manage your Bitcoin. Think of it like a digital keychain that holds the key to your digital vault. These private keys allow you to authorize transactions, essentially proving ownership of your Bitcoin on the blockchain. Now, let's bring Uphold into the picture. Uphold is a popular platform that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, as well as traditional currencies and even precious metals. It provides a user-friendly interface and a convenient way to interact with different asset classes. When you purchase Bitcoin on Uphold, the platform holds that Bitcoin on your behalf within your Uphold account. So, does this make Uphold a Bitcoin wallet? In a way, yes, but with a crucial distinction. Uphold acts as a custodial wallet provider. This means that while you own the Bitcoin reflected in your Uphold balance, Uphold holds the private keys associated with those Bitcoin. You are essentially entrusting Uphold to securely manage your Bitcoin for you. This offers convenience, especially for beginners, as you don't have to worry about the complexities of managing private keys yourself. However, this custodial nature also comes with certain considerations. Because Uphold holds the private keys, you don't have direct, complete control over your Bitcoin. You rely on Uphold to facilitate transactions and ensure the security of your holdings. This introduces a level of trust in the platform. While Uphold employs security measures, it's essential to understand that your Bitcoin is subject to the platform's policies and potential vulnerabilities. In contrast, a non-custodial Bitcoin wallet, such as a hardware wallet or a software wallet where you control your private keys, gives you full autonomy over your Bitcoin. You are solely responsible for the security and management of your keys. This offers greater control but also comes with increased responsibility. If you lose your private keys, you lose access to your Bitcoin. Therefore, while Uphold does function as a place where you can hold and manage your Bitcoin, it's more accurately described as a custodial service rather than a traditional, non-custodial Bitcoin wallet where you have exclusive control of your private keys. It offers a convenient entry point into the cryptocurrency world, but it's important to understand the difference between custodial and non-custodial solutions as you navigate your crypto journey. Knowing who holds your keys is a fundamental aspect of Bitcoin ownership. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.